You want to learn how to make muscular body video with AI. It's an AI muscle body filter effect. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So we're going to use this feature which is currently out by Pixverse AI. Sign up for an account. You're going to get approximately around 100 credits or 60. I'm not really exactly sure. Once done, on the bottom, you'll find this bar here. Here, click on this and enter an image. Now, once you have uploaded your own image, on the bottom, click on this effect and select any of these effects here. I'm going to choose this one, which is muscle search. And it's going to add this prompt here on the top in the message bar, show off your strong muscles and have everyone hooked. Now, next you can select this motion mode, which is normal and performance. If you choose performance, there will be a lot of motion inside it in the video generated. If you choose normal, it's going to have minimal motion inside it. I'm going to show you examples of both of these. Once done, click on generate. For normal, it will take in 30 credits. If you choose performance, it's going to take in 60 credits out of your total balance. Now take a look at these two generated videos. Watch. And that's it. This is how to make muscular body video with AI. It's an AI muscle body filter effect. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.